Nobody joins the Navy to see the shipyard.
You might have wanted orders to go somewhere else.
You might have wanted to see the world.
You might be thinking, how can I get promoted working outside my work?
Well, George Washington said, the harder the conflict, the greater the triumph.
Now is the time for your true character to show.
It's time to care more about what your uniform says on the left side of your chest than what it says on the right.
You are a part of something bigger than yourself. You're here to build a ship, build the legacy of CVN 73.
For the sailors who will walk these deck plates for the next 25 years, take pride in your work. Take pride in this ship. Own it.
The shipyard is hard, there's no doubt about that, but the toughest roads lead to the greatest destinations. The toughest climbs lead to the most beautiful views. Yeah, hard days will come. They will beat you down. You gotta show character. You show discipline. Get back up and put in the work. Put in the effort.
Show how strong you are in hard times, and you can thrive in any time.
You control your destiny.
Sailors belong at sea, so let's get the ship ready.
Let's sail her over the horizon.
Let's deliver freedom to contested waters. Let's demonstrate the world's most advanced naval air power. The legacy of USS George Washington is in your hands. Own your accomplishments.
Don't settle for the average. This is not an average task. Own this legacy. Own this ship.